Welcome back, Poli Glow family. We're here today with another video series where we talk to do-it-yourselfers and professional detailers about keeping and or restoring that beautiful shine on your boat or RV. Today we have with us Steve from Utah. How you doing, Steve? Thanks so much for joining us.
I'm doing great. Thanks for having me on today.
Steve, you reached out to us several weeks ago. You connected with us because you had tried Poli Glow and you were just fascinated with the results. What kind of an RV do you have and how old is it?
I've got a 2013 Jayco tow behind camper. It has gotten a serious case of sunburn sitting. If you'd gone to a dermatologist, he would have said that you had terminal cancer.
Oh my gosh. I know, we see that all the time. Have you owned it since 2013?
Yes, I have.
Okay, what have you been doing to keep up with it, or did you do anything with it at all?
I've been trying to use conventional waxes and all the stuff you see at the stores and all this other stuff, and none of it worked. I mean, it just continued to degrade to the point where it was looking just terrible. I thought we'd even talked about getting rid of it and buying a new camper because it had started looking so bad. They wanted thousands of dollars to fix the front of this camper, and I just wasn't sure that I wanted to spend that kind of money. And that's when I started looking at you guys.
How did you find out about Poli Glow?
Well, I was looking around and trying to find some alternatives or waxes, and it just happened. You guys just happened to pop up, and I decided, what the heck, I'll give it a whirl and see. It seemed very reasonable. Actually, the truth of the matter is that it seemed so reasonable, it didn't seem like it would really. I thought it was too good to be true, to be honest with you.
Yeah, we actually hear that a lot. Let's just talk briefly about applying Poli Glow. Did you find that to be difficult?
I thought it would be a little overwhelming, but I just took my time. I kept watching your YouTube videos. I kept doing what you said to do and what you guys said to do. And it took some time, but I got it, and it just came out fabulous. I keep walking out there to look at it thinking it's either a dream or I'm going to walk out there and it's gone, but it's not.
Well, Steve, it's been an absolute pleasure speaking with you today. If you need anything, don't hesitate to reach out to us. I'm happy to help you.
Thank you guys so much. I still am in awe. I can't believe it. Anybody that thinks that this is a joke doesn't understand what this is all about. I cannot believe how good it looks. And thank you so much.